Hello guys and welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how to see who viewed your Instagram highlights after 24 hours. So let's go forward and open the Instagram application and then hit this icon with the profile picture at the bottom right corner, and then you'll have to hit this icon with the three lines at the top right corner and then go to your archive. So right here there is an archive with all your posts, which means stories, or highlights or whatever. So if I go to the story archive right here and I'm just going to choose, let's say, this story that I have posted, as you can see at the bottom of the page there is this option which it says more, and if I tap on that in order to see the people who viewed my story, you'll have to search for the option story insights. So sadly, I don't have this option because Instagram doesn't add that feature to my account. But if you have that, just go forward and select the Instagram Insights and you'll be able to see who viewed your Instagram. So this is all for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one.